Hello, how's everyone doing? This is going to be a quick reading about a missing lady that I watched the other day. I'll leave the link in the box. She went missing February 21st, 2010. Laura Vogel is her name, a teacher. She was in Maui, if I'm not mistaken. Told her friend, told her friend she was going to go camping and disappeared. Where's that thing? Hold, please. So, if you watch my readings, you know I like to pull from different decks. Ironically, these two came out together. So, Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, excuse me, a business letter, near the Seven of Pentacles, a row, so there was a fight. Possibly about money, working with somebody. Here are two, a present, Seven of Pentacles, a present, near a club, trouble over money. Near a club, trouble over money. Near Ace of Diamonds, a row. So there was a fight. So next, I went to go pull out more. And this is what came out. Now, again, ironically, two women knights. Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. And the Knight of Cups has on flip-flops. And she had on flip-flops that day. So when I asked about the Knight of Pentacles in reverse, this came out. Depressed. So somebody might have told her, warned her to leave them alone. And she was trying to help them. That's what it seemed like to me. Saturn, miserable, gloomy. So Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Losing money, needing money. Where is it? Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Doesn't even tell me. Okay. Hold on, I gotta find a book that tells me. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Stuck, lack of inspiration. Notice if you are feeling stuck in your daily routines, change it up, take the scenic route home, enjoy this bountiful time. And it speaks of the solar plexus chakra. Okay, and then to define this person, a siren song. So somebody calling for help or giving false words to get somebody to come closer. And then for that one, I got grace. So her showing her grace. Sorry, I have to film it like this because I don't have my other apparatus. So that's what I got there. I want to do more on this Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So then I asked what happened. Tree of Life conception. Now there I'm a little confused. I don't know if they took her for certain reasons. It says, solid preparation is key to your success. Take responsibility for your actions. A new idea needs careful planning and consideration. See a project through from start to finish. A challenge is a blessing in disguise. A decision needs to be made. Time to reinvent yourself. So then I asked what tree. And Monterey Pine came out. When I Googled Monterey Pine, the two spots, Kula, Kula, and Waihu, Waihou. And it seemed like around Wahoo, I'm sure I'm not saying that right, there was a lot of nurseries, farms, greenery, but it seemed like she's between Kula and Wahoo. That's what it felt like. Like somebody said, the siren song was somebody said, let's say she said she wanted to see a pink parakeet. And somebody said, I know the perfect place to go see a pink parakeet. And they took her to led her to one of these places. That's what I feel. The Monterey Pine has to do with purpose. So she might have felt it was her purpose to help. It says, let yourself be guided by your inner sense of purpose. Know what you have to do and then focus on it. Don't allow yourself to be distracted by superficial tasks or diversions that waste your time and effort. Did somebody ask her for help? That phone thing, did somebody use her phone to call their dealer or something to that effect? So she had a mission and it looks like it got diverted. Okay, now I'm going to go here. Sticker wise, this is what came out. So that dandelion. Sorry, I don't know which way the Slovakian flag goes. Massachusetts, but more about that lighthouse because was where she was going. This speaks of Chithulu, which is evilness to me. There's evil lurking somewhere. And again, did somebody take her for certain reasons? And then a red car. This I got either Big Papa or Christopher, or I got the name James, and I don't know why. This is a bath rug, but it's also, they've been making purses from it. So, a dandelion, a wish, Slovakia, now I'm thinking of Hostel. I don't know if that was Slovakia, they filmed that in. Massachusetts with the lighthouse, something about the lighthouse, that's where she said she was going, or going near, or going to see. Again, Chithulu, and this red sports car. So let's see what we can get on this person, because that's not her, that's somebody else. Oh, 2 Nights speaks of intimacy. So I don't know if she is a lesbian and was possibly intimate with a woman. Where am I going? Let's go here. Tell me about this Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Page of Swords. Watching, observing, waiting. Tell me about this Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Laura. 10 of Wands. Tell me about the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Wands, waiting, watching, waiting, observing, burden, possibly broke. Page of Wands here. Page of Swords, sorry. Why do I not have the right book? Page of Swords here. Let's see. A curious kid, gossip, spies, that's what I'm getting, spying, prying eyes, and truth. 10 of Wands here. Stress, exhaustion, too many burdens. And I think this is the person, this is this lady, this isn't Laura, I don't think. And then the 3 of Wands, maiden, mother, crone. I did feel like she was taken to a house, somebody's house. 3 of Wands here. Teamwork, commerce, expansion, and travel. Laura Vogel, one last card. Where Where is Laura Vogel? Where did she go, or where was she taken to? Laura Vogel. Oh, two cards. 3 cards. 2 from here. Interesting. A couple. Laura Vogel. What happened? Spouse, partner. And where are you? Where were you brought? Where are you? Where did you go? Laura Vogel. Workspace. Productive environment, creative zone, technology hub. So the Ace of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, that's the 8 of Pentacles. I don't know if she was canoodling with somebody she worked with. Let me get a couple of stickers on this. What about this spouse, partner, and couple? Laura Vogel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Frankenstein? The Bride of Frankenstein? Statue. Is that David? Is that David? Banana? Maybe somewhere where they grow bananas, sell bananas, close to those 2 places I was saying. And no sleeping? No something. All right, I'm going to leave that there. Thank you.